Okay, so in this level, we'll be talking about stripped down harmony. Now, watch my right hand. In the previous episode, we did something like this. Good. This is harmonizing this. Me, we harmonize with both notes here. But in this strip down, we take away one. And there are several reasons people strip down harmony. They strip it down because they want it to sound simpler. You can still hear the harmony, this harmonizing this, but then it's not as crowded as this. The left hand is already having enough harmony for it, so this might not be necessary, depending on what you want to hear. Another reason is so that you can have enough finger movement at the middle to do a grace note like this. Do you see that? With the middle finger, it's more difficult to do that, and it won't sound really nice. It will sound something like this. Meanwhile, it could have sounded like this. Sorry. So basically, that's two reasons. One, people want to hear simpler harmony. Another reason is to have enough fingers at the middle to grace note it, right? While that's that for that. So solado do. They have something like this. So you see my mi 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 mi, re mi mi mi. I did not hold the do because that was for la. I could have held it but I didn't hold this because I wanted simpler harmony. And then the last part is now. I did not hold my T before I did something like this. It sounds nice though, but then sometimes you just have to strip it down. If you don't feel like, you can still hold it, so it will sound something like this at the end of the day.